Welcome to this quick guide on deploying Nextcloud. Nextcloud is a powerful, open-source platform for file storage, collaboration, and productivity. It allows you to store and share files securely, access them from anywhere, and collaborate with your team in real time. Designed with privacy and control in mind, Nextcloud keeps your data safe on servers while providing features similar to popular cloud services. Let's get started. First, head over to Launch Knife.io and log into your account. If you're new to Knife, you can quickly sign up. Now, look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click on Open Hub. This is where you can explore and deploy various applications. Here, search for Nextcloud. Now, hover over it and click on Deploy. Deploying this application will usually take approximately 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your app is being set up. The deployment was successful. Now, wait for about a few seconds for the DNS to resolve. Now, click on Open App. Here, first you'll need to create an admin account. Below, you'll see the database configuration section. For now, you can use SQLite, or if you prefer, you can deploy a database with us and use that configuration here. In the description, I'll provide details on how to deploy a database. We also have a separate video and documentation link. Click on Install. Nextcloud also offers some recommended apps you can install to extend its functionality, like calendar, contacts, and file sharing tools. You can choose to add them now or simply skip this step. Setup is complete. For a detailed guide on how to use and customize Nextcloud, check out the documentation link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.